free. I was born to be free.
Guys, good morning, everybody. How y'all doing? What's up, chat? How y'all feeling? Listen, guys. Oh, baby. Today was going to be a different stream than normal, but Bitcoin is getting its dump on, so we might need to postpone 2024 right now. And we might need to talk right now. Guys, let me know how I sound. How's the volume? How do I sound relative to the volume? I see you long ago. Bitcoin is dumping, man. I tell you, you go, you get breakfast, you come back, and you regret paying for breakfast. I'll tell you this, I was a lot wealthier. 20 minutes ago. Guys, how do I sound? Good morning, everybody. King Solomon, good morning, pump. See y'all in an hour. A Wild Rancid, what's up, G? God, I hope you feel better, bro. I don't know why you're dying if you're a god, but maybe you're an imposter. Dr. Burritos is in the chat. What's up, man? Nick, hi, guys and girls. Sharan, check out the clean-ass setup I gave in VIP. Clean-ass setup you gave in VIP, Z. On Solana? On Solana? I sound good. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, guys, listen. We're gonna get to everything, but we gotta focus on Bitcoin right now, man, because this is Bitcoin ain't Bitcoining right now. You know what I'm saying? Caspa's doing a good job of holding, which is pretty interesting. Okay. All right. This, I didn't want this to be a normal. This is gonna be a different stream. It was supposed to be. We'll talk about it. I got some announcements. But before we do that, man, we gotta talk about this. Okay, Bitcoin's dumping right now, right? We're just falling right now through the 786. I don't know, man. Look, Brinks Bucks AF right now, very clearly, right? Oh, baby. Hold on, I gotta monitor my positions. One second. I was not expecting this. I also, full disclosure, didn't even look at the charts this morning. Today's kind of a special day for me, guys. So today's gonna be a smaller, a shorter stream. I'm gonna try my best to make the stream like max 45 minutes. I'm gonna try. Obviously, we know that doesn't work out. Every time I try to make it a short stream, we end up getting my stream, my length ends up getting wrecked, and I'm in it for a while. But I'm gonna try, man. Today's a special day. I got a bunch of stuff I gotta do, and so I'm gonna try to make it a shorter stream. But again, we got a lot to cover, and I can't even cover it right now because Bitcoin ain't Bitcoining. So look, right off the jump. Again, I didn't even check the charts this morning, so we're dumping, man. We are dumping. We're probably gonna come take this low. This is absolutely a Brinks box play, 100%. You can see very clearly we have the red and pink vector candles on the way down. What's going on right now? We got the pink and we got the vector candle, the red and the pink vector candles, and so we can say that the next green dot that produces may come back up right away, snap back up, and take that liquidity. Okay, it is very possible. Because this is a very quick move. And we know fast move down equals a fast move up. Right? And the reason why is because we leave inefficiencies. We leave inefficiencies in the chart when we do so. So this golden pocket is worthless now because it didn't do literally anything. It is a retail kind of tool, if I might add. Let's take the golden pocket from here. Okay. So now we are in this golden pocket from the low recently. Okay. We are in the golden pocket now from the low, and we did sweep this liquidity. Okay, a lot of people probably put their stop losses under there. So let's see right now locally, right? 15-minute time frame, we definitely got divergences in terms of, I mean, if we start to clip and we start to get the green dot, we definitely got divergences, right? For sure. And we have momentum wave and money flow divergences. Okay, so it's very powerful, as well as pairing it with our vector candles, obviously to the downside, that can get recovered. Let's pull up our EMAs. Let's see what the EMAs are. I haven't looked at the EMAs in so long. Okay, so we're falling through the EMAs here. Let's come down the lower term time frame. So if the lower term time frames look good here, technically speaking, this is a scalp long zone. I'm gonna dump the EMAs. I don't care for them. Okay, so this whole box right here, technically speaking, is a long zone, right? We are in a long zone, retail long zone, might I add. But we did sweep liquidity. I do think we can come lower. And it's looking like we're going to come lower. And the reason why, guys, and I updated this yesterday, is I really like these lows down here, right? 41K. Now, let me just add a couple things before we continue. This type of move, okay, is right now catching a lot of people off guard, myself included, because I haven't even looked at the charts this morning. So I'm looking at them for the first time with you guys right now, okay? So that being said, when people are caught off guard, what do we know? There are stop losses, right? There are stop losses there. And so this like kind of does like a waterfall effect, essentially, right? Where it's a domino effect, rather, not a waterfall effect. It's a domino effect. And so all the stop losses are getting hit right now. Okay. And this could absolutely continue pushing the price down, depending on what happens right now. We are in a long zone. right? A local, very local long zone. And we did flip local market structure bullishly last night, which I gave in the VIP section of my Discord, right? I said we had the divergence here. I said watch for the 15-minute close, and if we got the 15-minute close in addition to the divergence, I would add to my long because I was long from lower, and I did exactly that. However, I did not take profits, so it is what it is. Like I said, I went to sleep. I didn't check the charts this morning. This is the first time I'm checking it. Today's a special day, shorter stream, you know, all the other stuff. Okay, so we have this very fast move. When we have this kind of move, it's a domino effect and people are hitting their stop losses. And it's not uncommon for this type of move to actually give us one of those like really, really fast scam wicks. Because I wouldn't even consider this right now to be a scam dump, because it's even still taking some time, right? Like it's taken about an hour or so to dump 2.5%. But these are the type of moves that can absolutely produce, like on the 2-minute time frame, on the 1-minute time frame, a monster wick down to like these zones down here. So while we're looking for potential longs, and we will go on the shorter term time frames right now and see if it's appropriate to long here, because it might be. We also need to keep in mind that they have a naked daily point of control here at 41,037. And I've been talking about it for a very long time. And this is an important order block. So if you want the coordinates for it on BTC-USD.P, it is 41,087 to 40.9. Okay, this is a very important order block. We need to be aware of it. It will also add to this like cascade effect of sweeping the liquidity, right? Because we have stop losses here, we have stop losses here, and we're in what I will call a retail support level, which is the golden pocket 786, right? So this will hold until it doesn't, essentially. And why would it not hold? Because of liquidity reasons. And why would it not hold? Because of smart money reasons. And we have levels below us that, in my opinion, are stronger to be are not stronger, what's the right word I'm looking for, are higher priority, like more heavily weighted than just one little baby golden pocket. Again, I'm not saying that we can't get that. However, you know, even if we're following market structure on the higher term time frames, you can see that this double top that we put in here we didn't sweep any liquidity to the top, to the upside. And I mean, we're really struggling. Okay, Bitcoin has been struggling for the past like little while here, and there's a few reasons for it. We've covered it before. Let me actually move this so that you guys can see the price. There we go. So we've been struggling, right? We've been struggling, and you know, we front ran this golden pocket as well. Again, I'm not like, it's a retail thing. We actually perfectly hit an order block, which is why we front ran the golden pocket. Anyways, nonetheless, doesn't matter. Let's get rid of that. My point here is, guys, is we haven't been taking any liquidity. Bitcoin is in this kind of range. It's been just doing nothing, man. It's just been stalling, to be honest. Nothing really notable here. And you know, when you get these kind of moves and you see these vector candles, you got to say it's probable that we're probably going to come back up again, right? Because whenever I see a vector candle in a range, I'm already thinking we're probably not done with the range. Okay, doesn't happen every time, but we're probably not done with the range. And so right now, while we're looking at this, I guess, that kind of more local range here, there are two places that I'm interested in. Number one is, I mean, okay, a scalp maybe from here, right? We're at value area low. We have a golden pocket, maybe. But more interesting to me is this level down here. So I do have orders down here, and I'm very well aware that we might be down here by the time I'm even done this sentence, okay? These are the type of plays where you can have a $1,000 like 2-minute candle, 3-minute candle, 5-minute candle, okay? So just be aware of that. If you have your stop losses, like if you're longing right now because we're in a golden pocket, value area low, like just be careful. That's all I'm saying, okay? Doesn't mean this isn't the low. It very well could be. Remember, at some point, we're expecting to come up to here. And you know what's funny is that I gave these levels like back when the price was like back here. So maybe like a week ago now, I gave these levels, and all of the levels are exactly the same. None of the levels have changed at all, which is kind of crazy because it's been a week and Bitcoin's literally been doing absolutely nothing for a week. But anyways, that's kind of what's going on right now. So we'll see, man. Maybe we'll find support here. Maybe we won't. I don't know. I do like lower, but we don't have to go lower now. Okay. Guys, real quick. This is going to be the last stream of the year. Okay. Last stream of the year. The next time you guys will see me live is if I decide to spontaneously do a January 1st stream, then you guys will see me there. But if not, probably the 2nd, you guys will see me. I do have a market Cipher video coming out tomorrow. And obviously I will be updating the levels and stuff. But the title of this video, sorry, we got a little sidetracked because Bitcoin was kind of getting crazy. So I had to build you guys the narrative on the spot. Remember, this is the first time that I saw it. Right, first time that I saw the charts this morning, just like right now in front of you guys. Anyways, couple of announcements. First of all, 2023 is done. And if you're new here, welcome. I'm glad to have you here now. And I hope that you're going to stick around throughout 2024. If you're returning, you guys know, man, that I put in the work. I try to give you guys as many updates as I can in the VIP. And, you know, I try my best to make this a good network for everybody, which comes to my second announcement. This is no longer a community. I'm changing the name. It is a network. Community is stupid. But no, man, for real, like all jokes aside, I really appreciate this year, man. This year changed my life, I would say. I've built this amazing network now. You guys know, if you've been around, you know. Shouts out to the ones in the Discord. Shouts out to the ones that are in here with me every single morning. You guys really made trading a lot more enjoyable for me, and I really appreciate. I really like this year. I'm telling you, this year literally changed my life, and so I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. And I'm not just saying that, man. It sounds like so cliche to say on the internet, but I'm so grateful to all of you. I'm so grateful for everyone that's been around, and we're gonna keep on upwards and onwards. 2024, we're gonna keep doing what we're doing. We're gonna do it bigger. We're gonna do it better. You know, I'm doing some channel maintenance, and everything will be good. So we're not gonna speak live again, but from the bottom of my heart, I wish 2024 is the best year of all your lives. And thank you guys. Thank you. Okay. Chat, y'all are sleeping, man. I just poured my heart out for you. Sound majestic. Free 1 hour, 30-minute stream. I don't know what that means, my friend. Guys, this is when you buy if you're looking to scalp, says Real Solomon. Dak, thank you, bro. Thanks for being the best mod ever. Mr. FaZe, I love you, man. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. All right. So we're going to be talking about if 2024, if I think 2024 is going to be bullish or not. Caspa's pumping. I'm still long on Caspa. Still long on Caspa. We're going to talk about, I appreciate you, man. I appreciate you. We're going to be talking about if 2024 is going to be bullish, but we're going to do things a little bit differently. Like I said, shorter stream, special day for me. I want you guys to let me know in the comments and tell me why, okay? Let's hear you guys build a narrative. I mean, try to. Nothing crazy, couple sentences. Do you guys think that Bitcoin will close? Let's say the yearly candle closes here. Let's say the yearly closes at 42K. Okay, 42K, let's just say. Do you think 2024 will close higher or lower than 42K, and why? I know it's hard on messages. It's hard, I know. Caspa, baby. Let me check my Caspa long. Caspa's doing well, at least. That's good. Cas forever pump. Yeah, man, I long Caspa. So in my VIP section, I gave a bunch of altcoins, and Caspa was one of them. And I told you guys that I would long it, and I did, and I've been long, and it's been great. Very easy trade. Very, very easy trade on Caspa. Super easy. Super easy trade on Caspa here. I'm gonna do all of them in this fashion because it's a lot easier for me to explain. So we are potentially putting in the higher low of our daily market structure, right? We have down, up, down, potentially putting in a higher high. This could be a low, and it makes sense because we came down to range-based supply, okay? And we tapped perfectly into this 45-minute order block, mitigating it, and we are getting currently a bounce from it. So it does make sense if we are to continue higher. This is our potential daily low right now, okay? There's a couple things that we need to be paying attention to more locally. This 4-hour BOS line at 113019. By the way, guys, anytime I have a line, you can check the price by looking at the white box there. Is perfectly in alignment with the value area high of this local range. Okay, so we need to be paying attention to if 4-hour candles are going to start closing above this high, and I imagine they will. I imagine they will because there is a lot of liquidity up here. Okay, so I imagine they will, but we got to be paying attention because you can technically SFP it. However, if we close above it, we will have a 4-hour. Anyways, so I gave you guys the levels, whatever. I gave you guys the narrative, and I took the trade, and so Caspa's doing really well. But we're not here to talk about Caspa. We're here to talk about 2024. And I want to address this comment because I think it's very interesting. All right, so Costco hot dog, which, by the way, I feel like I haven't had a Costco hot dog in literally years. Like years. But I feel like if I remember correctly, they were fire. So that's funny. That's funny. Anyways, I want to address this comment. So I asked, if you're just tuning in, hit the like button for me, please. I asked, do you think that 2024 is going to be bullish or bearish? And the answer I got from Mr. Costco hot dog here is having interest rate cut, global M2 supply, ETF liquidity, up, and away. And Costco hot dog, I feel like I would have remembered your name if you've been around. So I don't know if this is your first time here. I don't mean that in a condescending way. But I kind of addressed this yesterday. Okay, I kind of addressed it yesterday. Now, what's going to happen throughout the entire year, nobody knows. Definitely nobody knows. Okay, it's very hard to determine that. Very hard to predict that. You know, we can make our predictions, right, using market Cipher. Right, looking at like weekly time frame stuff, you know, we can make predictions. However, this is an interesting comment because it seems as though everything that you said in that comment is bullish, and it is, but it seems as though whenever there's bullish news, things always lead to a dump. Okay, things literally always lead to a dump. It seems that way anyway. Okay, and so it's an interesting comment because I teach you guys all the time. To, excuse me, to build a narrative, right? To build a narrative. And it's an interesting approach because everything that you said is bullish, but we've already went up so far. So like, okay, I covered this yesterday as well. The technicals, right? The technical analysis for the past couple months haven't been technical analysising. Okay, we've ignored every single div in the world. Bitcoin's not going down, whatever. This move, in my opinion, is fueled by all of these fundamental things that you just said, right? Specifically the ETF stuff. So I actually don't believe that the ETF liquidity is going to be bullish. Now, I do in the long term, absolutely. However, in the short term, I don't at all, in the slightest. I believe it is 100% going to be a buy the rumor, sell the news event. And actually, to put it even further than that, I believe that when the news drops, okay, when it officially comes out, January 10th or whatever, I don't know, my news anchors can tell you in the Discord, I have no idea about news. But I believe that when the news actually drops, we're going to get a massive candle to the upside, okay? I actually think we're pretty likely to continue ranging here until that news. I think Bitcoin's just going to do a bunch of nothing until that news in a week or in 2 weeks or whatever. Okay? If we, and I talked about this on yesterday's stream, so if you haven't seen it, go watch it. If we come down and we sweep this range low and we tap into this order block and we get acceptance back into the range, then I believe January 10th or whatever the news is or whatever, right? Assuming it gets approved, because I don't know if it's going to get approved or not, then I think that we will get a very fast move Similarly to how we got a very fast move from like 30K to 35K, okay? This is a 2-hour candle, and we never even came back to revisit it, okay? Not a 2-hour candle, let's say 1 day, right? 20% 1 day. So I believe that we can get a very fast move, okay? I believe we can get a very fast move. We can. Now, that's if the news is bullish. And what I think is going to happen is that day or that couple days or whatever is going to be the day that the high is put in. And it really depends on the next couple weeks. I think the next couple weeks will actually determine the rest of the year. Okay? And I'll tell you why. I don't think we have any more gas to continue the move to the upside. Okay, I don't. I think we need to start sweeping liquidity. And I've said this, I've talked about this many times. So if we are going to continue sweeping, if we're going to continue not taking any liquidity and we're going to go up, then I will be bearish for 2024. Okay, so let's just say this range, we don't really sweep that much liquidity. Let's say we don't even touch this 4-hour order block. We don't even touch the range low and we continue higher, then I believe 2024 will be bearish. Okay, I believe it will be bearish. Why? The higher we go, the harder we will fall, especially when we don't take liquidity like we haven't been taking liquidity for almost 3 months now. Okay, the higher we go, the further we will fall. And the further that we fall, the more we'll call it shock that the market is in. And we will, and it will take longer to recover. Okay, every single technical on the chart for the past 3 months, really, that have been ignored, have been, I don't want to say bearish because obviously we've still been going up, but we do know that the charts haven't been following TA properly. Well, not properly, like anything can happen, obviously, but it hasn't really been respecting macro TA, like these macro divergences at all. And so when we have a huge, like what I call like a shocking event, it will take long for the market to regain its confidence. Okay, it will take time. And just like the market sentiment right now is through the freaking roof, and just like the market sentiment right now is buy the dip, never stop, long, 50x long, 80x long, no one gets punished ever. Okay, the narrative will have to, like, when it starts to turn, it will take as much time, if not longer, for that it took us to come up, to come down, and then start to recover. So the higher we go right now without sweeping liquidity, the more bearish I will be. Okay, and so if the news comes out today, for example, and it says, oh, Bitcoin ETF is out and they're approving it and whatever, and we start to pump out of like seemingly nowhere, which it would be news driven, which this whole thing is, then I would say 2024 is going to be bearish because, and we talked about this extensively yesterday, if you are an elite, right? The elites have been in power for generation after generation after generation, okay? They've been in power for like, I don't even know how many hundreds of years. If you were at the top of the pyramid, why on earth would you let others get to the top? You wouldn't, because by just like default, if you're at the top and somebody else comes to the top, then you are worth less. Okay? So your value, you get devalued essentially, as like you get, what's the word? Diluted essentially, right? And the elites run the world. And so why would you want other people, like, it doesn't make sense. And so if BlackRock was going to be buying, right, they would have been buying down here. And they did. They absolutely did. They did buy down here, right? They bought down here. They're not buying here. This, everyone's like, oh, this is BlackRock liquidity holding up. This is not BlackRock, man. BlackRock is not stupid. BlackRock is the elites, are the elites. Like, they're not going to buy up here when they're going to sell to you up here. And so if it gets approved and we come up, you best believe that they're going to sweep the liquidity. Now, looking to the upside, we have two very important levels, which is this high and this high. And I do believe that it is, I don't want to say likely because I don't know exactly what's going to happen, but I do believe that we can very well come and sweep at least this high at 48K. Now, I've been very honest about, or sorry, not very honest. I'm always very honest. But I've been very open about these highs, and I've been very open in that if Bitcoin sweeps this high and closes the candle below the high, then that is just a liquidity grab and we can come down, right? We can significantly come down if that's the case. And so that's the basically, if we don't sweep liquidity, we're screwed. Long story short. Long story short, if we don't sweep liquidity, we're in my opinion, we're screwed in 2024, and the whole market will follow Bitcoin, right? I don't believe that this is a bull market. I believe this is a bear market rally. And so in belief that this is a bear market rally, I think that, you know, there's a lot of people that are going to get shocked here. However, we have extremely bullish market structure. And until that market structure flips bearish, technically speaking, we don't have anything to worry about. But the thing is that when it flips bearish, it might already be too late, right? Because we have so much liquidity. And these are the kind of moves where you will just get destroyed in 1 second. Okay? These are the kind of moves where you just get wrecked in 1 day and you have a minus 30%, minus 40% day. And so, you know, just a couple things to keep in mind, right? You just got to keep that in mind. All right, let's check chat. Let's actually come in on Bitcoin. Let's see what's happening locally. If you can't be right here. All right, so Bitcoin just swept the 786. Interesting. Interesting. So this is our 786. Cool. You stay, yeah, I do the same thing. I told you that I never would. Nobody else as good as you. I need you to stay. What a shock, man. The market is in such shock. All right, the market is going to be in such shock. Like, this is nothing. This is a 1% move to the downside. Wait for like a 10% move, man. The market, I'm telling you, this is the type of market structure right now where you could get a real big move to the downside. Like a real nasty move. Really nasty move. Honestly, I feel like 42 is a psychological number, and so they're going to probably wick below it. I really hope they come down to these order blocks that we've been talking about for a long time. I really hope that they do. Guys, give me 5 minutes. I'll be back. You already know what I'm going to do. Basically, what Bitcoin's doing right now. I will be right back. Sorry, duty calls, baby. Can leave you stranded, 'cause you ain't never left me empty-handed. Yeah, Richmond, if you want the playlist, I will send it to you. Just message me in the Discord. So how does one determine how long Bitcoin will be bearish for? Like, when is a good point to buy? That is the $1 billion question, my friend. But really, you follow macro market structure is the short answer of it. Right? Macro market structure. Overall bullish, bear market rally will end. The thing is, man, is like, I believe the bear market rally will end too. But I think that the first half of 2024 is going to be bearish. And like, pretty significantly bearish. Yeah, exactly, bro. 100%, man. 100%. 100%. Dak says, yeah, it wouldn't make sense that they would not want it lower. Yeah, man. Of course they want it lower, bro. Of course they want it lower. Of course. Oh, this is a banger, baby. All right, let's pay attention to Bitcoin now. Let's see if we can come down to here. I want to get a very fast wick. You got me in love again.
I used to think that I was made out of stone. I used to spend so many nights on my own. I never knew I had it in me to dance.
Let's see if we can get a very fast wick. You got me in love again. Guys, the VIP code for this stream, I mean, you guys should be able to guess it. Let's see if anybody can guess it. You guys should be able to. It's super obvious. God damn, you got me in love again. You got me in love again. All right, man, we're gonna be okay. In the meantime, let's see if we can get a nice scalp long. Okay, so this level's lost. Now I want to come a little bit lower. I don't know if we're gonna get it. We're starting to get the divergences here on the 15-second. The 1 minute time frame is still thick, and we're not really getting the divs here. This could be the low, but I don't know. I'm not crazy about it. Not really crazy about it. Definitely not crazy about it, but it could be. Could be. At least a temporary low. Maybe. You, goddamn, you got me in love again. For me, guys, for me, this is, let me tell you what I want to happen right now. This would be beautiful. Are you ready? Look how beautiful this would be. Watch. People are longing right now. Okay, people are longing right now, I'm assuming. Yeah, people are getting stopped out. God damn, you got me in love again. Okay, so actually not really that many longs are coming in. People are actually, I lied. Longs are coming in, we're coming in, and they just got stopped out. Okay, so longs just got stopped out. Longs just got stopped out. Yeah, you guys got the code, man. You guys got the code. So longs are getting stopped out right now. Okay, we're also at value area low, and we also haven't really, I mean, we swept this low, but we didn't sweep this low. So let me tell you for me, best case scenario, okay? Best case right now would be to come down, take out this low at 416, whatever, so that on these higher term time frames, we have like better divergences, okay? Remember, when we have fast moves like this, we might get a very fast wick down to like here. We might even completely blow the range and just really quickly come down to this level here. We could. Not saying we are, but we could. And so just keep that in mind, okay? Best case for me right now would be to come out, take out this low, right? People are longing the golden pocket because this is a golden pocket, I think. Yeah, this is a golden pocket and 786 and value area low. So people are longing here, okay? People are longing. And they're putting their stops probably under here. Best case, we come down. We either bounce off of this 5-minute order block, although I don't like the 5-minute order block because we have a naked daily point of control here at 41037, which is perfect confluence with this much better, in my opinion, 30-minute order block, okay? So are we going to blow through the order block? I have no idea. Are we going to come and take the low? I have no idea. For me, I prefer getting a move like this over the next couple hours. We come down, we hit this order block, take the liquidity here on the naked daily point of control, giving us a nice bullish divergence across multiple time frames and with money flow and with momentum waves and everything else to then come higher, right? Sweep out all this liquidity that's up here, sweep out all that, potentially tapping into here, or depending on what's going on, potentially taking the range high one more time. I don't know, right? We don't know yet, but I'm targeting here. I really want to come up to here. So potentially tapping here. And then from there, we can decide whether we're going to continue downwards and tackle this. Let me get rid of all these. Right, to attack this 4-hour order block. And then maybe from there come up and take the high if we don't take the high the first time. Or continue dumping. That would be best case scenario for me. Okay, so let me just recap all that in a nice and easy way. Best case scenario for me right now, what I would like to see, and I'm going to do it with the trackpad so I don't miss. It's hard, man, when you're on the treadmill to write. What I want is come down, tap this 30-minute order block, come up, tap this guy here, come down, tap this guy here, come up, tap this guy here, and then come all the way down. That would be like best case scenario right now. Is that going to happen? I have no idea. But that would be nice. Okay, that would be nice. Regardless, we are going to look extensively for shorts at this level here, which we've been talking about. I've had it in the Discord for like a week now. Regardless, we're going to be looking at that. And then we're going to be looking at potentially taking the high as well. We could even come up as high as here. This is probably going to be whenever the ETF stuff is like approved or declined or whatever. And that, my friends, is how you build the narrative. Now, what we could do in the meantime, let's just say you didn't long this and you think this is the low and whatever. We can just follow market structure. Now, I don't like using 1 minute structure because 1 minute structure is kind of goofy. I actually very much so prefer using 5 minute structure. However, your 5 minute high resides basically pre where the entire dump happened. And so this is your 5 minute high. So this is kind of useless to us. So in this case, we can jump down to the 2 and we can follow 2 minute structure and say, okay, we have high, low. I mean, this is not super clean. Actually, it doesn't really matter. We can go high, low. Literally doesn't matter. Doesn't change anything. High, low, and then lower high here. And then currently we have a lower low. So we can say if we start to break this 2 minute high, right, we can now look to potentially long it up, indicating that that might have been the low, right? So we could do something like that and then continue to move to the upside, right? That's basically what we're looking at right now. Although I would like lower. I would like lower. It would be very, a lot more interesting to me if we get lower. Got me walking side to side. All right, who got VIP first? Let's check. First person was you, sir. You got it first, my boy. Crypto Nova, what's up, brother? How you doing? How are you today, sir? These boys are making me too much. Migos. I get it, Ted. I get it, Ted. I tumbling. Hold on, let me pull up my playlist. Andrew, high five, brother. Satoshi Nekimoto, what's up, big dog? What's up? How are you, man? You waiting along at 18K? Me too, bro. Me too, man. Me too. Me too. Chat, what are you guys doing for New Year's? Let me know in the comments what y'all are doing. Looking for something made of this. And guys, if you're just tuning in right now and you didn't catch the hint, the VIP code for this live stream is 2024. All right, 2024 is your VIP code. Today's gonna be a shorter stream, guys. With how long we've been on for already? 45 minutes. I'm gonna go in about 10-15 minutes because I got a special day today, and so your boy gotta go do some stuff. And man, it's you know, holidays, and it's busy time. You made a sweet video to this song. Let's go. Drop the video in the Discord. Let's see it. Who am I to disagree? How many people we got in chat right now? $71 people in chat, guys, and only 36 likes. Please do me a solid and hit the like button for me. Every single day, I teach you why the market moves the way that it does, and that really will build your confidence, man. Because, I mean, longing a green dot is nice and all, but understanding why and what's happening will kind of paint the picture better for you, and you can build your narrative a lot better when you know what's going on. Do I got a date? I do not got a date, but I am emceeing. I'm emceeing for New Year's, a party, like a banquet hall party that has over 1,000 people. So I'm emceeing for, I got 1,000 dates, basically. All right, man. So Bitcoin is coming up, man. Bitcoin's coming up right now. Let's see what happens at this 2-minute high. Remember, the thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergences, right? The thicker the money flow, the more chance of divergences. As we came down and we swept that 786, and I believe we swept a low as well. Did we sweep a low as well? Yeah, we swept that low. Did we sweep any other lows? Not this low. Okay. So as we came down, we swept the 786. We did get the divergences with the momentum waves and the money flow in the 1-minute time frame. So we said that could be a significant low. Could be. Not necessarily always going to be. But definitely could be. I still would like a little bit lower, but we know that the thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergences. We know that we left some vector candles above us that we can easily come and recover right now. We know that we have actually bull dibs on the 10-minute as well, so very interesting. But remember, the thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergences, and I would consider this to still be thick money flow on the 1-minute time frame. So this could be a low. Doesn't mean it is going to be a low, but you know, if I was not entering right now and I would want to look to enter, and I believe that this is the low, I would hopefully rather see a break here, clean break where we start to close candles above here, then retrace back into this little zone. It would actually look like this. Let's come on the 2-minute time frame. It's better. I would then look to long somewhere in this whole zone, right? In this kind of area here, right? I would look for that, and then I would long there, and I put the stop beneath that low, wherever it may be, right? So we'll see what happens right now at this high. We'll see what happens. What's the special day? You will never know, my friend. You will never know. Oh, is that what you were asking if I got a date for? No. Bro, I do not consider a date a special day. I'm the prize, not them. Getting high and taking the dog for a long night run. That actually sounds like a good plan, man. That sounds like a good plan. Happy weekend, Dave. Happy weekend to you, sir. MCGO, yeah, man. Yo, when I get into it, bro. And you guys know, like, I DJ weddings and stuff on weekends, and so I'm MCing now, and it's gonna be fun. Gonna be a good time. Your grandma is trying to get my digits. Send her, show your grandma the clip of the, what was the song? The Bruno Mars song on the stream from a couple days ago. At 55 seconds or whatever. I can't do it because I got copyrighted for it. I got flagged. So I can't even, I thought it was copyright free, but it wasn't. Give it up to me. Yeah, I want to get a good song. Let's find a good song here. Would not believe your eyes. This is a pretty good song. All right, let's see what happens at this high, guys. Let us see. You ain't no sir. You're happy I found my significant other? Nah, bro. Geo riding solo. Now I know why I rock out all the time. It's because I'm a DJ. Yeah, man. I DJ, I MC, and I also sing. I'm losing my voice, though. I'm singing for New Year's, too. I'm singing Blinding Lights. At the end, they don't know it yet. I said, ooh, I'm blinded by the lights. Yes, sir. That's kind of my my weekend shenanigans, you know? That's like, it's fun, man. First of all, it keeps me out of trouble. But it's fun, bro. It's fun. It's fun. MC and DJ. Yes, I do both. I do both. Joe, am I going to switch exchanges? Apparently, Mexi might implement mandatory KYC. Okay, so a few people have messaged me this. And if that's the case, then yeah, I'm going to have to. But if this is going to like, they're going to give us some time. They're going to say, okay, you have like a month or whatever. And whenever this happens, I'm going to do the Palau ID thing. Right? I'm going to use the Palau ID thing. I'm going to do that because, yeah, I got to do the Palau thing because I can't KYC from where I'm at. So, do I use exo charts? I don't use exo charts, but I am starting to learn exo charts. I'm starting to learn it, to be honest. Like, I'm finding it a little bit difficult to retain it because it's so boring. Maybe I just like don't have a good way to learn it. Like I haven't found a good source for the way that I like to learn. I haven't found someone that I can like I don't know. I'm trying to learn it, but man, like I can't lie. Like my ADHD is preventing me from it. Like yeah. I mean, I want to, but you know. I'm going to sing to finish off the night. Talk about Buzzkill to end it. Yeah, I'm going to sing. I'm going to ruin everybody's ears. I'm going to make them regret the whole 2023. They're going to regret their entire life decisions. When is Mexi supposed to do it? I have no idea, bro. I got no idea. Man, I don't know anything news related, guys, ever. Like, you guys are the ones that tell me stuff. So when you guys are like, yo, Gio, did you hear about this? I'm like, I did now. You know, I definitely did now. For order blocks, what do I use? I have an entire order blocks. I have an entire order blocks boot camp that covers that. But I basically just use my eye, bruv. I have my like rules that I implement. Yeah. Coin catch is supposed to. I've never even heard of coin catch. I have no idea. Jay got a course on exo charts. I know. I don't know, man. I just like it's hard for me to learn it, bro. Hard. It's just like I don't know. I can't focus on it. It's a little bit difficult. Alone. You think you're better off alone. I wouldn't buy anything from Jay, get it from Gio. You're funny, man. You're funny. You never fail to get those jabs in, bro. You're the same on EXO, not clicking in yet. Yeah, man. It's just I don't know, bro. I don't know. It's like with the footprint and the delta and like I mean I'm sure there's an easier way to do it. And also I don't want to actually get on EXO. You know, you got to learn like TPO and TradingView now has a TPO indicator. Right? So, I mean, I have no idea how to use it. But I feel like this could be beneficial as well. I don't know, man. I don't really know. I'm telling y'all, if one of you guys learns EXO and you want to teach me it, I'm down for that. I'm down for that. If y'all want to do that, because I can't learn it, man. Bum 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 bum. All right, guys, hear me out. I don't know how many people are in here right now. We got 74 people. This is a more chill stream, a more lax stream. We went over what happened in what I think might happen in 2024. And this is the last stream of the year. And not only is this the last stream of the year, but this is going to be the last party of the year. Oh. And so, for the very last time this year, guys, I'll keep you guys updated in the Discord as we know. But if I have provided you value this year, for the last time this year, so dramatic. Thank you guys for joining my network, our network, not my network. Let's get those fire emojis in the chat one last time, baby. VIP code is 2024, and I will see you guys in 2024. Fire emojis, baby. Fire emojis. Let's get them one more time, baby. Thank you guys for a great year.
Seems like he's good for you, and he makes you feel like you should. And all your friends say he's the one. His love for you is true. But does he know you call me when he sleeps? But does he know that pictures that you keep? But does he know your heart?
Yeah, let's go.
Does he know the reason
That you cry.
Oh, tell me, does he know where your heart lies? Where it truly lies.
Guys, last time, baby. Last time of the year. If I have provided you value in any way this year,
You should stay.
let's see those fire emojis, baby. Thank you, guys.
Seems like he's good for you, and he makes you feel like you should. And all your friends say he's the one. His love for you is true.
Fire emojis, fire emojis, fire emojis,
But
fire
does he
emojis, fire
know
emojis,
you
fire emojis, fire
call
emojis.
me when he sleeps? But does he know the pictures that you keep? Does he know the reason that you cry? Oh, tell me, does he know where your heart lies? Where it truly lies.
Happy New Year, everybody.
Does he know the reason that you cry? Oh, tell me, does he know where your heart lies? Where it truly lies.
Man, thank you guys for a great year. Let me answer this question real quick. Yes, I have taken Phoenix's course, and it is very good. Very, very good. I very highly recommend it. Absolutely worth the investment. Absolutely worth the investment. Guys, that's it for this year, man. It's done. It's over. I will see you guys January 2nd, if not sooner. I will definitely see you in the Discord sooner. And I got a video coming out tomorrow that's going to be fire for you guys as well. So make sure you watch that. Thank you for kicking it with me. This year's changed my life. It's been the best year of my life. 2024 is going to be upwards and onwards only. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Please like, please subscribe. We got some channel alterations coming through. I'll see you guys later. Happy New Year, everybody.
set my heart on fire.